So after 4 days and $400 in parts that I didn't need, I figured out why my 1996 Chevy 2500 5.7 Vortex won't start. As you can see, I put the key in, turn the key, no dash lights, no panel lights. There they go. Truck starts fine. Turn it off. Might work this time. Key on. Waiting. No lights. So, if you come around here to the ignition, as I've taken the cowling off of it, I can't see there. So I'm just going to tap with my screwdriver on the ignition harness, the box underneath the key. Try to do the Fonzie maneuver here. And there's all the lights. There's the start. How long I'm going to be able to do this until I have to have a whole ignition harness, I don't know. But I'm trying. Let's see, one more time. Car off. Turn on. No lights. And of course no start. Not getting an ignition signal to whatever magic part needs it to go. So I'll get the Fonzie hammer out. And all the lights are on. And it starts. So for all of you that may have this issue, don't go and try first with the crank position sensor, cam position sensor, ignition control module, coil, cap, rotor. None of that works if you have no dash lights or panel lights or cluster lights or whatever the technical term. Again, keys back on, keys off, keys on, no lights, no start. So, long story short, if you turn your key on and you crank, you will check when you go out there and check the spark plugs. There's no spark at the coil also. And this little culprit here, this box, this is going to be a bad view here, but there's the box. There's the hit, there's the lights, and there's the start. Thank you. Hope this helps. Somebody, you got to get a new ignition harness. That's what I'm off to get right now. Thank you.